Hey friends, it's me, Mickey, your best friend on the internet, and salamat malam, salamat datang, and salamat pagi. Friends, I'm super excited about today's video because it's from a band that I've never heard of before, and I just found out about them like a few days ago. They're Silet open up. We're watching two videos today, Taguling Guling and Tabola Bale. So friends, if you love having fun, subscribe, but let's go. Oh, One Piece. Whoa, where are they? Taguling Guling. Whoa! Okay. Whoa, I didn't expect this type of song. This is like kind of like reggae, kind of a reggae style song, right? They look like they're just having a fun time. Guling guling. Wow. Is the guy in pink, is he Silet open up? Is it just him and then the other three are like the other extra members? And is that a girl? Is her name Diva? I love her. She looks so cool. This song sounds very like TikTok worthy. Like it's kind of like got that addictive beat to it. Whoa. What? The lyrics say she's drunk. Is she drunk? Like, that's how you have a good time. She knows how to party. I love her. I love her grills. Hey. Hey. Yeah, look at her. Look how much fun she's having. I love her voice. It's like really kind of soft, right? I didn't expect her to sound like that soft. Ale. Cinta. Hey. I love his swag. Hey. Hey, say. Is this like a theme park in Indonesia? Right. Don't you love like they actually look like friends? Like I've never heard of Silet open up before, but like if I didn't know, I thought that they would all be a band. Like they all look like they work so well together as a band. I love that. Hey! Hey. Taguling, taguling. I wonder what taguling means. Like, taguling means like they're in love, like they're going crazy in love. Taguling, taguling. Taguling, taguling. Taguling, taguling. I need to research these Indonesian words. Ah! This part is like TikTok style song, you know. I love this like kind of carefree style of song. Friend, that's exactly what I need. That's exactly what I need today. I need a lot of positivity and energy in my life today, and that's what that was giving me. Oh, that's so cool. Right, Tabola Bale. And this has all the same people except for Juan. Yes! I love Diva. She's like so sassy. Da, 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 da. Yeah. Are. Hey, hey. I love how much fun they're having, even though like this guy kind of looks like he's rapping seriously. Like he looks serious, but then they're all having fun at the same time. It's so good. Ow! Yeah, come on, Diva. I say. Oh. Berubah. Oh. These actually make me miss Indonesia. Like I've been to Indonesia a lot of times, but just seeing the music videos filmed in Indonesia, it makes me feel like I want to go back there. Mama. Hey. Nikah. Wow. This beat is so crazy. I can so understand why this has like over 400 million views, right? It just like makes you feel good instantly when you listen to it. Yeah, I. Come on, Diva. Yeah. Yeah. She's got a glamorous headache. She's just too beautiful. She's got a headache from being too beautiful. Whoa. Dude, okay. I love her voice. Her voice works so well with all of the guys rapping. It's like so nice. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Makan chicken. Alright. Oh. Yeah. The lyrics are so fun. Anamanna. Hey. The sun is shining too bright. I'm waiting for the beat to drop at the end. Hey. Hey. They're just vibing. Hey. Yeah, look, the beat's gonna drop. Hey. Wow. This part's like so addictive. What? Okay. Oh. Tiramisu. Friends, I'm so happy that I actually like got to know this band. I've never heard of this band before. But both of the songs, like they kind of have like that both like chill, black, laid back style that like everybody can enjoy. Like everybody enjoys songs like that, right? I love that. And friends, I really want to do more Indonesian videos on my channel. So if you have any other Indonesian song recommendations, then write them down below because I love reading your comments. And friends, I hope you all have a great weekend. And until next time, make sure you keep smiling, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video. It won't be too far away. Terima kasih. Bye.